Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of AWS. In this video, we'll see how to launch an EC2 instance and do SSH using PuTTY. So I've already made videos on how to launch an EC2 instance and do SSH using Mobile Extreme. So this time I'm using PuTTY. So let's begin the demo. First, we'll log into our AWS account and go to EC2 dashboard and click on launch instance. So give the name whatever you want, DevOps instance, and select the image Ubuntu as per your choice, and go to the app and we'll take the instance type to be T2 micro XP type. Now we'll create a new key pair. So give the name DevOps key, and here we'll select .ppk file format and click on create key pair. So now we'll scroll down and keep the rest of the things default. So we'll launch the instance. So instance got created, and if we see it's in pending status, we'll wait for some time. Now it's running. So if you go to the we'll copy this public IP4 address. So before that, we'll go to the PuTTY. So here we'll install PuTTY and click on open. So it's on another monitor. So here we'll paste the public IP which we have copied. First we'll paste it, and if we go here, go to SSH here, and select authentication, this one, and here you can see credential. Click on this. After that, we'll browse our file which you have downloaded. So here you will browse DevOps, this one you have downloaded. Now we'll open it, and we'll click on open. So I will show you, it's pop up on my another terminal. So we'll accept this things. Click on accept. Here we can give the user Ubuntu. I will make it bigger and press enter. So here you can see we are now logging. So in this way we can do login using PuTTY. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in the another video.